Have you ever had a question or issue with your Credit Karma account that you couldn't resolve through the website or app? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to contact Credit Karma by email and get the help you need. Credit Karma is a great tool for managing your credit, but like any other service, it can sometimes encounter technical glitches or have customer service issues. When you need to contact Credit Karma, email is often the most efficient and effective way to get a response. Step 1. Visit Credit Karma's Help Center. Before you send an email to Credit Karma, it's a good idea to check out their Help Center. You may find answers to your questions or solutions to your problems there. Step 2. Craft your email. Once you've determined the appropriate email address, it's time to craft your email. Here are a few tips for writing a clear and concise email. Subject line. Keep your subject line short and to the point. Include keywords that summarize your issue, such as credit report dispute or technical issue. Body. Start your email by briefly introducing yourself and explaining your issue. Be as specific as possible and include any relevant details, such as account numbers or transaction dates. Attachments. If you have any attachments, such as screenshots or documents, be sure to include them with your email. Professional tone. Maintain a professional tone throughout your email. Avoid using slang or overly casual language. Proofread. Before you send your email, be sure to proofread it carefully for any errors or typos. Step 3. Send your email. Once you're satisfied with your email, send it off to Credit Karma. You should receive a response within a few days. Tips for getting a faster response. Be patient. Credit Karma may receive a high volume of emails, so it may take some time to get a response. Be patient and don't send multiple emails chasing after a response. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a week, you can follow up with a polite reminder email. Be specific. The more specific you are in your email, the easier it will be for Credit Karma to understand your issue and provide you with a solution. Be polite. Even if you're frustrated with Credit Karma, it's important to remain polite and respectful in your email. This will help you build a positive relationship with their customer service team. Contacting Credit Karma by email is a quick and easy way to get the help you need. By following the tips in this video, you can write a clear and concise email that is likely to get a prompt response. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.